What's up, guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. You know, I had to bring you one of these eventually, right? It's peanut butter on one slice of bread, strawberry jelly on the other slice. About to mukbang it up. PB&J, keeping it classic. Yeah. What's up, guys? Back for the mukbang part. So yeah, here's what you do. Fucking take the jelly side, slap it on the peanut butter side. I'm sure you knew that, but just had to go there. So what's been up? Got a haircut today. Cold, you know. I just turned on the pellet soap. About to be nice and toasty in here. Yeah. Good stuff. PB&J, man. Can't beat that. Classic. Classic go-to. How long has it been since you had one of these, guys? Drop a comment. Classic. Check it out. It's been a good 6-7 months that I had a haircut. There you go. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah. Back to that. Alright guys, just want to bring you that short little mukbang video, and please smash that like and subscribe button. Please share with the world. Please leave a comment, all that cringy YouTube crap, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good one. Chronic Eats out. Peace.